How to cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and tap on payments and subscription. And now there you can just tap on subscription option, and there you can just find and select the Snapchat Plus option. And with that, you can just tap on cancel subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.